Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Today's video is going to be a very interesting one and something that I know I've really struggled with and something that many trans people out there struggle with on a daily basis. So I thought it would be really cool to make a video kind of exploring it and exploring different options that people can take. So what I'm talking about is vocal changes in transition. The voice is a very powerful tool. It's how we get our needs met, right? If we aren't using our voice or speaking up, it's gonna be really hard to get our needs met. Unfortunately, for a lot of trans people and for a lot of cis people too, who have insecurities with their voices, getting their needs met and speaking up can be really, really challenging. Personally, my voice has always been a huge insecurity for me, even before transitioning. I think it goes all the way back to like middle school, where people would make fun of me for sounding gay. And that kind of just taught me not to use my voice. And that started really early on. And so taking those experiences and bringing it all the way to now, or all the way to when I started transitioning 5 years ago, I had in my mind, like, am I just gonna sound gay? Am I gonna just sound like a gay man? The reality is the voice is really, really hard to change, especially for male to female transgender people. For female to male transgender people, it's actually a lot smoother. The testosterone that they take, girl, those voices drop, honey, and that shit is actually really hot. For us, unfortunately, it's more of a struggle. It's definitely, once that testosterone enters your body, honey, it is not leaving. So we have to work a lot harder. They say that the hormones that we take for male to female transition don't really affect the voice. Now, I'm here to kind of dispute that a little bit because I haven't done any vocal training. I haven't had a vocal coach, no surgeries, nothing. The only thing I've done is the medical transition, which is taking hormones. And I do believe my voice has changed. And so I'm gonna let you guys decide. I'm gonna show you guys some clips from before my transition, during my transition, and then obviously right now you're hearing my voice. Keep in mind, this has been over a span of 5 years, so a very long time. This didn't happen overnight. But I do think there has been some changes, and I just want to put that out there because I know there's a lot of people who either are transitioning right now or who want to transition and are really concerned about their voice, because I know I was one of those people. I was horrified at the thought that I was going to be clocked every time I open my mouth. And let's be honest, like, my voice now, I don't think is super feminine. I also don't think it's super masculine. I think it's kind of neutral, which I'm totally fine with. Like, I'm totally fine with that. I do get comments of, you have a really unique voice. You have a really interesting voice. I never really know if those comments are like passive aggressive shade of like, bitch, I know you're a man, or if they're actually just genuinely like, oh, well, you have a different voice, and then don't really think about it. I don't know. I try not to put a lot of stock into that because I don't want to play the game of like, what was someone else thinking? Because I'm never gonna know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert some clips from before my transition, and I'm gonna let you guys hear my voice. It definitely sounds a lot deeper. I am dressed up in the clip, but I have not started transitioning. I actually hadn't even considered transitioning at that point, so bear that in mind. And also bear in mind, I'm a literal mess in this video, so keep that in mind too, but let's play it.
Hey bitches, it's Vanity. This is my second YouTube video. Who knows what the fuck I'm doing here? I ain't got much to say, just chilling. I just became a tranny like last week. I really like it. Love doing the makeup, the weave. It's still burned. Got some Nicki Minaj lipstick, super hot.
So as you saw, my voice there was much, much, much lower. My normal, natural speaking voice at the time. As I progressed, I do believe that it started changing a little bit. And so I'm gonna insert some clips for you guys to see how kind of gradually it started going up over the years. Play that clip.
Hi you guys, I'm making a quick update video. Yes, this is a condom. I'm wearing like a little safer sex shirt. Don't make fun of me. It's like really promoting healthier lifestyles.
Things have been going really well. I mean, at this point, I've been on my full dose of hormones for about a year and a half. There's been a lot of changes physically, mentally, mostly good. Some definitely have been less than satisfactory. But overall, it's been a great experience. Hi, you guys. So I'm just gonna say I apologize in advance for looking a little bit like a mess. I just got back from a really long day. But I have some really exciting news to share with you guys. I officially have set the court date to legally change my name and gender for next week. And I'm really, really, really excited and nervous about it. And I've just sort of been thinking about, you know, my whole journey today. Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I just wanted to come on today and make a little video about some updates in my life. It's been a while since I made kind of an update video. I think about like 4 years. So naturally there's been quite a few changes. And so I kind of wanted to come on and talk to you guys about that. For those of you who don't know, I am transgender, male to female, if my hair could ever stay. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today is actually going to be a little different video. I know I say that in every single one of my videos. This one is going to be a little bit different. At least it's not something I've done on my channel before. I was on live streaming because that live stream life. So as you guys see, not perfect, not super feminine. Like it's not like some super soft actress like, oh my god, I'm just gonna lay down and do like all this. And it's my voice. This is my voice. So yeah, that's it, y'all. This is my natural voice. This is my natural speaking voice with no training, nothing like that. I think it would be cool for a future video to actually try some of those techniques and those skills to kind of see where that brings me. I don't even know what any of those skills are, so I can't even practice one for y'all right now because I don't even know what any of them are. But I think for maybe my next video, I can learn some of them and then come back and like practice, because I think that would actually be pretty cool to see like where, like how easy are they? How am I gonna be able to remember them on a day-to-day basis? And then also, does it actually change my voice? I think that would be kind of cool to play around with. So there y'all have it. That has been kind of my transition, male to female voice story. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments, have you guys tried any techniques or exercises to change your voice? Have you done the surgery? How did it go? I'm actually really interested in this stuff. And again, if you could point me to any links or resources that will help me practice some of those exercises, I think that would make a really interesting video. So hit me up with those. Otherwise, make sure to like, subscribe, share this video, and I will see you guys next week or possibly even earlier. I'm trying to put out a few extra videos a week, so we'll see how that goes. Thank you guys.
Okay, so today I went shopping, obviously, and I went to two of my favorite stores, MAC and Sephora, and I got some really awesome things. First of all, at Sephora, I got like probably the best smelling cologne. It's actually cologne, not perfume. I thought it was perfume. It's really unisex. I think like either could wear it, but oh my god, it smells amazing. It's called Million. It comes in this like little gold shaped thing. I don't know, but it smells amazing. Awesome. Thinking about the Oscars and you know what. Oh my god, that's like so embarrassing. Anyways, my contacts literally just like fell out of my eye. Well, I guess the show must go on, so I'll just keep talking. I'm gonna make some videos tonight talking about the Oscars and all the drama that happens there. Hopefully, you know, no like wardrobe malfunctions will happen. JK, hopefully a lot happen. But yeah, we'll talk some shit about the people, and yeah, it'll be fun. So I'll talk to you guys later. See you soon.